Okay, today's video we're going to go over rehab protocol for a back. It's something that I did in my clinics. I refined it over the years. Through practice. My fiancée here, Daisy, she has chronic back problems. When I first met her, she was having problems like every week. She was actually seeing a chiropractor for how long? Were you seeing a chiropractor for?
Half a year.
Half a year. They never addressed the getting the stability built in the core in the lower back. When she started doing whole body vibration, started doing the stretches, her back problems are going. How often do you have back problems now?
Barely.
Barely. So when was the last time your back hurt so bad you could barely walk? You can't remember, have you? It's been over 8 years, right?
Right.
Because we strengthened her core. She had chronic back problems because of her pregnancy, probably from the epidural when she had the injection into the spine. After that, after the pregnancy, she had back problems, really severe after that.
Yeah.
In the protocol today, our only objective is to strengthen the core. It's to get the core stronger, to get more movement in there, break adhesions like gristle on a bad steak, to get the gristle so the joints can move freer. Because whenever you stack 24 little vertebrae on top of each other like little square blocks, if there's a lot of instability, if you have one area that doesn't move as good as the one above and below, it causes imbalance, motor imbalance. It's going to cause biomechanic problems. And this is where you have joint degeneration. Is when everything starts moving correctly together. By increasing the core strength, improving range of motion, getting motion so fluid can get back into those joints, it's going to promote healing, getting your muscles more coordinated, like throwing a ball like this. The more coordinated you get, the more it can handle stresses every day. So we're going to get started with this thing. Like I said, it's Dr. Mike. Thank you.
Now the goal with front squats is to keep the knees as straight as you can, and just go down in a relaxed state. But try to bend at the hips, not at the mid back, and just go down. Get the speed to a right speed that's comfortable, and just go down slowly, and kind of relax. And you'll notice that you can start stretching further and further. Now one trick you can do is you can lightly lean against the back machine with your glutes, with your butt, and just slowly go down in a relaxed state. Try to keep the knees as straight as you can, and just relax and try to let your body weight allow you to go further and further down. To stretch those hamstrings out, which helps improve the range of motion. As you see, Daisy has her feet all the way out to the sides. The further your feet go at the sides, the longer the travel is with the oscillation. It's going to cause more of the hip seesawing at the hip, which can cause the spine to serpentine, almost like a snake, kind of left and right, which helps open up the joints. It helps break open those adhesions, and it gives you that range of motion back. Here's a better view at the feet placement. As you can see, her little toe is at the very corner of the rubber, allowing maximum lift. Similar to the front stretch, the side stretches are going to help emphasize more movement on the opposite side of your toe that you're touching. It's going to help force the joints in a natural open position, and the movement is going to help break open those adhesions, help get that joint free so it can move in a more optimum state, thus helping bulletproof your back, making it stronger.
Beautiful.
Another exercise to go side to side, just to stretch to the side. Again, this is going to help open more of the joints above the lumbar. It's going to get the lumbars and also some of the thoracic, some of the vertebrae in the middle of the back. Just by opening those joints in a natural way, getting the movement, the seesaw movement, it's going to slowly stretch those joints and help improve that range of motion.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is the end right now. We're going to go ahead and finalize. Let's ask Stacey some questions. Like, how did it feel? Did you feel looser after these exercises?
Yes, feel very kind of loose up.
Loose up? Loosened up?
Yeah.
Loose up?
Loose up.
Yeah, so just by doing those simple things, remember that It takes years for your spine to get this bad. It takes years of abuse, years of poor biomechanics, poor sitting habits, falls, spills, slips on ice, things of this nature. It builds up over time. And then out of nowhere, you have back problems. Now, this is not a one-time cure at all. A lot of times people will do this and they'll say, man, my back didn't hurt for 3-4 days afterwards. That's because you got all the movement in it, but then you still got the gristle, you still have the adhesions around the joints. You got to break those up. I know that chiropractic care is awesome. I think everybody should get chiropractic care when they start having back problems because you got to loosen it up. But it's the maintenance of the spine. It's keeping the spine strong. It's keeping the movement in it. This is it, because you only have one spine. Now we take care of our teeth. We buy fancy shoes, wear nice clothes, but we do nothing for our health. We don't take care of our spines. We just abuse our spines, and that's why I think like any given moment in time, there's like 60 million Americans that are suffering from back problems every single day. You got people that bend down to pick up their keys, their back goes out. Now this isn't normal. The keys didn't cause your back to go out. It's the accumulation of injuries over the years, and after year, the accumulation builds up all this adhesion. The joints start getting stuck. It changes the biomechanics. Then when your spine's so out of, your core's so weak, you've got so much imbalance in your spine, just bending over to pick something up is all it takes for your back to go up. So this is a basic routine. I'm doing this for a customer I have. I want to help her husband out. Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the idea for this video. This is Dr. Mike. This is Daisy. Do you want to say anything, Daisy? Do you want to say anything?
I don't know what I should say.
Say something. I don't know.
Okay. Oh, I should say something. After you use the machine, you will feel your body lighter. That's how I feel.
Because it shakes the crap out of you?
Maybe.
No. She feels lighter. She feels more movement. She feels like her body moves lighter. It moves easier. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Like and subscribe. YouTube loves likes. They like people leave little messages underneath. This is how they can determine if a video is good or not. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next video.
You can have me in the video.
What?
You can have me talking, like I don't know what to say on the video to show on the work.
What?
You said we just said before, like I don't know what to say. You will leave that.
No, I'll cut it out.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut all this stuff. It's called editing.